Hey guys, Rosemary here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my house. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the like button, or not yet because you haven't seen the whole video yet, but subscribe if you haven't done so already. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing a little something that I ordered, I want to say about a week ago, and this is actually the first time I'm ordering from their site directly. This is from Loungefly, and I cannot wait to open it up and show you guys and actually do like a first impression type of thing, because this is the first time I've ever purchased from them, as I mentioned. And I do have a mini backpack from them, which is like my one and only Loungefly anything. So here's little Jack. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen him somewhere in my other videos, but little Jack, I got him for Christmas 2 years ago and he is still good. Okay, so I just opened the box right now. I only seen, of course, what the product looks like on their site and on their Instagram page. It is the Pocahontas Crossbody Bag and Wallet, and I was super excited to get this because I love Pocahontas. Everyone knows that I love Pocahontas, and I always have. They even called me Pocahontas when I was a kid because my hair was just so long, just like hers. And so yeah, I was super excited. I jumped on it the second because they teased me. Loungefly, y'all teased me on your Instagram page saying, here's a sneak peek at what is to come, and it was the beautiful crossbody bag along with the wallet, because it is Pocahontas' 25th anniversary that the movie was released. And so I was like, oh my gosh, I kept checking back like a crazy person. I'm like, I kept checking back on their site, seeing if they had announced like a release date for this, but they never did. And I was like, yo, come on, I need to make sure that I don't miss out on this one, because I mean, I am a fan of all of their bags, little mini backpacks, and all of their just things that they sell on their site, but I never really purchased anything from them. I don't know why. So but this one, obviously I could not miss out. So I'm a little like concerned that it might be a smaller type bag. I mean, it does look pretty small, but this box is pretty small for it to contain the crossbody bag and the wallet. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so first things first, here is the wallet. It looks like a pretty decent size, so I'm just gonna open it up here in front of you guys so that y'all can see. Oh my god, get this open any faster. Okay, so here it is. Ooh, it's much prettier in person. Oh my god. Okay, let's open that up. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I am so glad that I jumped on this real quick. So it kind of looks like a passport wallet. All right, so here is the beautiful detail of Miss Pocahontas up there and the leaves in the wind. And okay, so this is the little compass, the spinning arrow, and here is the back with, of course, their logo, Disney and Loungefly, and just the rest of the scenery in that scene. Inside, there is Miko sketched in there. Wow, this is so cute. Miko and Flick. All right, and on the inside, you got the print of the leaves as well. Oh my god, this is so cute. And this is a little tassel, I believe. Go ahead and yank these off. Ooh, so pretty. Now, I'm not sure if these will fall off in time. You know, I've never purchased anything like this, and I mean, I really hope that their quality is great, that it doesn't. But I am really digging that this is kind of literally like the size of my hand. Whoa, I have pretty big hands. So here is the wallet. How cute is that? Let me get a little closer look. So that's the wallet and the little tassel. Oh my god, it's so stinking cute. Adorable. I like it. I like that it's compact, and I don't like that those long like wallet type bags, kind of like this. I've had this wallet for like forever. Really big, so something a lot smaller and compact. I love it. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's go on to the bag. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the bag, it's definitely a pretty decent size. Look it. I was so scared because of the box was just so small. And speaking of the box that it came in, I honestly thought, because I'm a sucker for packaging and I've ordered a lot of different things from other brands, other companies, and their packaging is like top notch. This is just like a regular cardboard box. Like I was expecting something like something on the inside with some type of print, or like with their logo, like Loungefly logo. I mean, okay, nothing too exciting. Okay, so let's open this baby up. Again, this is a crossbody bag. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. Let's see. I just want to rip it open. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, it's pretty sturdy. It's not like a flimsy bag or anything, so it's definitely it's hard, and it doesn't look like it would bend. So, and I'm glad that it didn't. I was kind of concerned about that with like during the delivery process. I thought it would maybe like fold or in some type of way, but it didn't. So here is the front of the bag. Absolutely stunning. I love the color. Oh, kind of matches my nails. The colors of the wind. And here is the back of the scene. So kind of like the similar print from the wallet as well. And it's got the Disney Loungefly right there logo. Okay, so let's open it up. It has the spinning arrow right there too. All right, let's open it up. So let's take this thing off. So it's got a chain. It's got a chain and this comfortable part right here for your shoulder. Okay guys, so I finally took off the plastic wrap over the chain. So here it is. We're definitely gonna have to try it out, obviously. So I really like it. I feel like it's a very good, decent chain. So again, here is the front part of the bag. I really like it because it's sturdy, so it's not an easy bag to like fold or get messed up or anything like that. So here's the front, and then when you open it up, it has the same scene, the same picture, and on the inside as well, it is lined with the same leaf pattern. And I really like that. Like, I really like that Loungefly. Just adds every single detail, you know, and it's not just like a plain blue, you know, inside of the bag. It also has the pattern inside also. So it has a zipper on the inside, and it has two bags, or actually I think it's just one. It's got, yeah, just one bag right here. And so we can easily just throw this baby in, and bam, and it fits perfect. I am super excited. This is such a beauty. I am so excited that I was able to get to buy this for myself, because I normally don't. I have terrible mom guilt, and finally I was able to purchase something, but you know, there's that little bit of mom guilt always. So there's the wallet and the bag. Alright guys, so thank you so much for tuning in. I just wanted to share that little fun unboxing with you guys with the new Loungefly Pocahontas 25th anniversary bag. If you guys purchase anything from Loungefly, what have you gotten? Like, what's your most recent purchase? Or if not, have you heard of Loungefly? Because they're awesome. You guys should follow them. Thank you so much guys for tuning in, and God bless.